This is Grandad's big potato reveal. Maris pipers he's got in here. There's a big handful of sulphate of potash. Got Tesco's on call. They're waiting to send the lorry around.
They're never meant to come out.
It's packed in there like bricks, that's why. That lot, that looks alright. Blimey. Blimey, look at that lot. That is a monster reveal, that is. Proud of yourself?
Well, that's what I expected.
Blimey, you need a pair of scales for this lot. You won't need to go to the shop and buy potatoes for a month.
How about that one?
It's not bad, is it?
It should all be like that.
Well, let's come back and we'll get them all out and we'll weigh them up or whatever we can, shall we?
Yeah.
That's not bad at all, though. Well, there's Grandad's potatoes. Out of his, well, it's less than a 30-litre bucket. There's two seed potatoes in there.
That's 2 seed potatoes, yeah.
And they've been in there how long, do you think? 100 days, something like that?
Yeah, about 120 days.
Good work. And what's your estimate on how much that weighs?
I think it's around £5, just a bit over.
Okay, well, let's go and find the scales and we'll find out.
Okay.
That'll make all the difference, that one. Well, that's not bad. That's £3 pounds,
15 and a quarter
15
ounces.
and a quarter ounces.
So nearly £4 then.
Nice work. Happy with yourself?
Yeah, I thought it was more than that, to be honest.
Wow. Always a pessimist.
Gotta be, ain't you?